Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to talk about some people who are facing a particular issue right now. We have somebody that reached out to us right now, and you must be careful who you are giving your annual return filings to help you carry out. Now, let me explain what actually happened. Now, this person did the registration, and for years they didn't file annual return, so they were ready to file annual return, and they got in contact with someone who can file annual return for them. And when they reached out, the person started the annual return filing, filed all the years that was pending, and unfortunately one of the years got queried, and this person didn't resolve the query, and that query was left for a while and was not resolved. Now at the end of the day, what happened was that this particular registration business could not do any activity. Why? Because they have one pending annual return that is yet to be filed, and at the end of the day they will not be active. They will not be carry out any they will not be able to carry out any change on their post incorporation portal for any process. They want to edit director, they want to reallot shares, they want to remove shareholders, whatever they want to do, they won't be able to do. Why? Because they have a query on the annual return, and so the company is not active, and so they can't carry out any post incorporation process. So that's why when you're giving someone to help you carry out annual return processes, you have to make sure it is someone who you can trust and someone who has a precedence or of delivering jobs. So that is why when you want to file an annual return, you reach out to us at Carisnova Limited. We would make sure that whatever the case is, whatever the query is, we will resolve your annual return. Now let me walk you through some of the possible queries that some accredited agents face when carrying out annual return. And the first is that they have issues with PSC. Now the PSC stands for Persons with Singular Control, and it stands for anyone who has minimum of 5% shares in a particular company. So anyone who has at least a 5% shares capital in a company is supposed to be a person with significant control. Now, this was just introduced some few years back, about 4 or 5 years now, and it's a new phenomenon. So for older companies, there was a time CAC allowed you to be able to add PSC to the company free of charge. But right now, when you're filing annual return, CAC is expecting you to make sure that first you have your PSC installed in the company. That is, you add a PSC before you file the annual return. Now that's why if you file annual return for 10 years, they will approve 9 years and they will leave one to be queried. And that 1 year that will be queried now is going to be for that particular year that they need you to add a PSC to. So once you add the PSC and then you resolve the query, you go ahead with the resolution. And this is a solution for those who are getting into annual return filing and are facing this particular difficulty. And if you are still here to get this resolved, you can also reach out to us. But meanwhile, my interest is basically for those who want to file the annual return. I want to get that company active. Don't give it to someone who will delay your business from being active and be able to get contract that you need to. So reach out to us. The phone number will be showing up on the screen right now. Send a DM right now and they'll be able to get back to you. Thank you. My name is Ezekiel. I'll see you in the next video.